Hello, myself Harshati, and today I will perform week 7 experiment of EEC Lab.
So first of all, we will test our comparator 74LS85 before performing the experiment. So here we have provided 5 volt voltage from Adam 1000 kit and connected this to this. So now this is our 5 volt supply. This we connected to ground. This 5 volt, this ground. So now the ground of the IC 74LS85 is connected to ground and VC is connected to 5 volt voltage. Now the pin 2, 3 and 4 are connected as 0, 1, 0. For our easiness, we have connected the pins of ICs to these terminals. This is our A3, A2, A1 and A0. This is our B3, B2, B1 and B0. Now our B's terminal are connected to 1, 0, 0, 1 and A's as 0, 1, 0, 0. Now it means that at B terminals we have connected to 9 and at A we have connected 4. So now we will check 6 and 7 using multimeter. As we know that 9 is greater than 4. So we have to get 1 at terminal 7 at our IC. So now you can see that we get 5 volt voltage supply at our terminal 7 of the IC 74LS85. So it means that our OA is smaller than B. Hence our comparator is working properly. Now we will test our another IC 74LS83. So we have connected the VC terminal to 5 volt and the ground to ground, and the B4, B3, B2 and B1 here, and A4, A3, A2, A1 here. Now we have provided A terminal as 1001 and B as 0110. That means the adder has to add both the values. That means it has to add both 9 plus 6 is equal to 15. So we have to get all the point of sigma as high volt, as high. We will check this using multimeter. Now we will check at sigma 4, means pin number 15. And as you can see, we are getting high at all the sigma point of our 74LS83 IC. That means this IC is working. So now for the experiment, we have to connect the pins of our 74LS85 IC as shown. Pin 1, 2 and 3 to 101, pin 4 to 0, pin 5 to the pin 3 and pin 8 of 74LS83 IC. VC to 5 volt and ground to ground. Pin 14, pin 11 and pin 9 respectively to 001, and the pin A3, A1 and A0 means pin 15, 13, 12 and 10 to the B4, B3, B2 and B1 pins of our 74LS83 IC. Now similarly, we have to connect all the pins of 74LS83 as shown in the diagram. Also our another IC 74LS47 and 7 segment display, we have to connect pins of these as shown in the diagram. So before performing the experiment, we have to use our week 3 experiment in this experiment, whose circuit diagram is as shown in the figure. So this is how our final circuit will look like. This is our 74LS85, this is our 74LS83, this is our 74LS47, and this experiment is the experiment we perform in week 6. This is our 40106 used to make clock, and this is our 34LS163. This A part of the our first IC means comparator are provided to these output of this 74LS16 IC. Now we will provide channel A and channel B to this 40106 IC. Then channel B further connected to our 163 IC and 5 volt and ground using Adam 1000.
So this is how our output will look like.